Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by freeing resources and updating drivers. Close Geometry Dash and heavy apps to avoid GPU contention. Next, update your GPU driver to the latest stable build because driver fixes often eliminate tearing. Once done, restart the PC and set the power plan to high performance. That prevents downclocking mid-session. Make sure display cable is firmly connected and using a digital link, HDMI/DisplayPort, rather than analog to reduce signal artifacts. You now tune in-game and monitor settings to stop tearing at the source. Enable VSync first. If you have a FreeSync or G-Sync capable monitor, try Adaptive Sync because it reduces input lag while preventing tear. Make sure the game resolution and refresh rate exactly match the monitor's native values, for example 1920 by 1080 at 144 Hz. If tearing persists, switch between exclusive full screen and borderless full screen. Different modes interact with compositors and drivers differently, so you finish with advanced adjustments and a key troubleshooting step. Open your GPU control panel and create a profile for Geometry Dash, force VSync, or enable G-Sync/FreeSync per application to ensure the driver honors sync. If needed, cap the frame rate slightly below the monitor refresh rate, for example 141 FPS on a 144 Hz screen, to avoid oscillation. If tearing continues, try a different cable or monitor. If the problem follows the PC, gather these symptoms before contacting support or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.